You can see right there, it don't even touch. I mean, I can slide paper in it. So that means water's gonna shoot out there when it's running. It's bent really, really bad right there. Right through there. Oh, right there. Right there. There's no way that a hand drop done that. There's no way. Then it's broke really bad right there and bent in. Right there. That's not cosmetic. They had to change that whole frame out on it. The latch is broke, so the door won't even latch together on it no more. It don't close all the way. The wheel on the racks are broke completely off of it. The second head spinner for the second drawer is completely broke off. Latches are laying there on the floor. There's the latches for them, along with the wheel that goes to it. It's bent at the bottom right there. Went through there. I mean, that's not cosmetic. I don't care what they say. Oh, let's see. Well, I ain't got it out, but I'd say something wrong with that leg for it to move like that. See, that one don't move.
Oh, yeah.
That one moves really bad.
Like you said, you hooked it up, but water's gonna...
Oh yeah, it's hooked up, power's onto it, water's hooked to it and all, but I mean, I can't guarantee it's even gonna turn on because of the switch. There should be a switch, should be a sensor in here that lets it know that it's latched together. You can't even latch it, so it's even bent right there. It took a hard lick to bend that bent metal right there. They perform that stuff like that so it stiffens it. Because we do it in AC work to stiffen up metal to keep it from bending.